Good evening, guys. I hope that you all had a good day. Let's get into this NASDAQ top-down analysis. So starting off here on the weekly, we can see that we swept previous week's lows and we are now still trading below. So this will be a key level to watch, previous week's lows, and you can get that level right here. And then I have our buy side and sell side marked out. So moving on to the daily, we can see that we swept, I believe this was Wednesday, we swept last Wednesday's lows. And as I said in the previous slide, we're trading below previous week's low now. So what could potentially happen is I'd like to see us hold 50% of this inversion fair value gap. So if we can maybe get a retest up here and we see that it holds, then we can target this sell side liquidity down here. But if not, then we're most likely going to push up to take out this buy side. And moving on to the 4 hour. So if you've been watching these, you know that I've been wanting to target this level down here, filling the imbalance, and we finally got that today. So that was a very good trade. But what I told you guys to watch was this 50%, and we never got a close above. So that was a good sign that sellers wanted lower prices, and that's what we got. And you can also see that we respected this inversion fair value gap, so that was another confluence there. But we targeted the previous week lows, and then our final target was filling this imbalance down here. And then, as you can see, we also took out sell side liquidity down here. So some potential things to look at are see how we respect previous week low. If this acts as resistance, then that would be a good sign for that we still want lower prices. If not, then we could potentially target 50% for a buy model. So, I like to give you guys both scenarios. But ultimately just be patient and, look for the highest probability. And things to end with, like I said last night, this week is NFP week, so just be cautious. The move that happened this morning, it happened a couple minutes after 8:30 a.m. and then we kind of got some accumulation phases throughout the day. So really the only good move, in my opinion, this morning was the trade that I took was a few minutes after 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. But moving on, news tomorrow, we have ADP employment report at 8:15. At 9:45 we got the PMI composite final. 10 a.m. we got ISM services index, and 12:10 we got Powell speaking. So especially be aware of this. And if you guys are interested in a free one-on-one session, you can email me at wallstreetdemon@gmail.com, or I'll put the link in the top of the description. And as always, we ended on a quote, and that quote is, "Day trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about staying in the game for the long haul and consistently executing your trading plan with precision." So as always, if you guys found this insightful, please feel free to leave a comment and like and subscribe. Thank you guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the morning for live annotations if you watch those, and then I'll see you tomorrow evening for another top-down analysis. I wish you guys a good trading day tomorrow, and be safe.